Hello, hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add a leading zero to a phone number. So here we have so many phone numbers that have been imputed into these cells, but Excel automatically eliminated the zero. So Excel sees that zero as nothing. It doesn't understand it as a phone number. It just understands it as just a number. So how do we go about changing it? So this is an example of a typical Nigerian phone number that starts with that is basically 11 digits. So Excel has eliminated the zero and they are now 10 digits. So how do we add a leading zero to each phone number here? So highlight from the first cell, press your Control plus Shift plus down to highlight the entire cells that contains the phone number. Either you press Control plus 1 or you right click and click Format Cells. In the Format cell, click Number, and after that, click Custom. Here, just type 0 into 11 places in the format that you want. If your country uses 4 digits, not really 4 digits, 8 digits, just type it 8 times. So you just type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm using 11 here because Nigerian phone number digits are 11. So after that, click OK. So you can see it has automatically added that 0 to this phone number. If you have any question leave it in the comment section and I'll answer it.